Skullies is me, Orange Skull Team Border. Today I'm sorry to be their stupid so Billy's puppet dad. See, this is him, this is tie, hands, arms, this is the back, and this is him, right there. And yeah, and this is the inside his mop, his green, has tie on. See, this is him. Billy, what are you doing? Huh? Billy? I don't scream or well. Oh, I want some buckle mail. Oh, and yeah, I might have good stopping. I mean belt. But now I need some tape. And this is Puppet Dad. Okay, I'm Scullies, subscribe and like, and subscribe to be stupid souls. And yeah, I'll show you that YouTube channel. This is their YouTube channel. See? And yeah. Okay, Orange Scullies, do you like my Puppet Dad? Okay, Orange Scullies, bye.